The Philippine government will proceed with deliberation on the case of Mary Jane Veloso, the Filipino worker incarcerated on death row for 12 years in Indonesia for drug trafficking. In a press briefing in Jakarta, Press Secretary Trixie Cruz Angeles made a cautious response when asked if President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. will visit Veloso, who remains in detention in Yogyakarta. Cruz Angeles said that Veloso's case may come up during the talks of the two leaders, but she refused to discuss more about Veloso due to its sensitive nature. Yet, she stressed that the president is aware of the issue at hand. She also assured that the president is aware of the appeal made by Veloso's parents to negotiate with Widodo for clemency. Veloso was arrested in Indonesia in April 2010 for smuggling 2.6 kilograms of heroin in a suitcase. Throughout her trial, she repeatedly denied the drug charges, claiming that her recruiters tricked her by giving her a suitcase with illegal drugs concealed in the lining. Her case sparked international attention towards Indonesia's justice system. Her Indonesian lawyer, Agus Salim, admitted that Veloso did not have any lawyer or Tagalog translator during her interrogation. During her sentencing, Veloso was also not represented by a public defender, and her courtroom interpreter was not licensed. She was supposed to be executed by firing squad in April 2015, but was spared following the arrest of her recruiters in the Philippines.